Hey everybody, good morning. Welcome. Just staying right. Nice time FX, welcome. Tamimi, good morning. How's it going, guys? Well, new day, new opportunities, right? So I think I should start fresh with a new account today. Let's see. Yeah, this will be fine. How's it going, guys? How is everybody doing? Let's see what London holds us for now. On the 1 minute, we have a very shorter block here, pushed price lower. We could be going for Asia lows, who knows? But let's check the 1 hour. Yesterday it was a little bit crazy, that's for sure. Up and down, or should I say down and up. Swept some liquidity on both ends. Overall, if I check on the daily chart, it has shifted to a bearish structure, so we do have a fair value gap above 165. That's still valid. 165 right there, relative equal highs. Let me put a line there. Yeah. Okay. So that puts some good targets, some bullish pressure maybe on the market. Otherwise, nothing special. AA, good morning, Rob. Good morning, Breezy Music Club. Hey there. And Simon is here. Ashevs is here. Everybody is here. Welcome, guys. So, with that being said, we might sweep some Asia lows at 911. We'll check on gold too. Otherwise, nothing special. Nothing special so far. 1 minute pushed it lower. Do we have some news this morning? I don't think we do. Yeah, nothing. We have absolutely no news, so don't expect some sharp moves in this session. But anyway, we'll do what we can. All right. Yesterday was a great day. I mean, at least I achieved my next payout with Apex. Hopefully they will get approved. The thing is, I can't apply for a request until the 1st. So that means by the time this gets to a payout, it's going to be at least 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Good morning, Secrets of the Unknown. Good to see you. Ba-dum-bum-bum. All right. We might go down and visit the Asia lows. Who knows? I think we could. So careful with the longs. So 25, yeah, it could go down there super easy. Super easy. How far is that? It's actually not far. It's like 13 points, 14 points. Dark Cloud, hey there. So I'm gonna put a marker right there. Oh, sorry. A marker right here. Sell side liquidity. also known as Asia low. Okay, it's not far. I think it will take it sooner or later, but let's see what happens after that. What do we have to the left? Slim Trady, hey, good to see you back. Good to see you. So, I think, okay, I have it right. Okay, how many accounts do I have here? Okay, I still have an Apex evaluation plus extra that I can trade with. Otherwise, as far as I'm looking at the 1 minute chart, there's two options. Either it goes up to take out the order block up there on the 1 minute, or first sweeps the Asia lows. These are the two variations. So let's see. We do have fair value gap. Yesterday was crazy. Oh, yesterday was absolutely crazy. I almost did 20% on my... Oh, wow. Trading BTC. How is trading BTC nowadays? I'm just asking because I did a test over the weekend, and I was forward testing Bitcoin. I was actually a little bit bored on Sunday and on Saturday on the afternoon. So I was trading it on the 1 minute chart, and it was actually fun. I mean, it wasn't moving that fast, so I guess it was more predictable, but the way that I like to trade, you know, with fair value gaps, order blocks and such, I mean, it was pretty much working out. Of course, I was just paper trading it, but it was still fun. I know many people trading Bitcoin, but you know, only trade it on a live. Well, I guess that's how it has to be. The real pressure, right? Asia low is at OTE of the leg up yesterday. I would prefer to see them sweat first. Yeah, me too. I'm waiting for Asia low to be swept. If not, then obviously, well, we'll see what happens after that. I mean, it's not far. It's like 10 points, 11 points. So I wonder if we're going to have some kind of a liquidity sweep down there. I always being amazed how, for example, ICT is showing those trades on the 1 minute, 30 second and 15 second chart, how he does those entries. And you know, in a way, it's undeniable that those trends, order blocks, fair value gaps, and you know, breakers and everything is presented on the 15 second time frame. as well. So that's just amazing. By the way, I also have my trader weight opened up here. I have a MyFundedFutures evaluation going on. Already made today $200 ish of profit. Look at that. Going down. Okay, Asia swept. Boom. Asia swept. Let's find out how far this one wants to go, right? Also trying to, I mean, in the past couple of months, the more I try to, for example, scalp, I have to realize that first of all, before I even start going for smaller trades, I mean not smaller in size, but in points, short distance scalp trades, if there is just no volume or not enough volume in the markets, it's just better to skip the whole thing because it's not going to work out. Without volume, even scalping is absolutely useless. All right, now up there, there's an order block. Not too perfect, but it's like an order block. Ish thingy. Good morning, Mary. Good to see you. How was your yesterday? Hope you made some profits. I think you did. Fortunately, there were so many people around the chat. All right. Legal tender, Grand Rising. Well, we'll see if it wants to go or not. Riggs Niggs, hey, good morning. Good to see you. Well, nothing out of the extraordinary. There was a sell side liquidity Asia low. The only thing I did is I scalped it on a MyFundedFutures evaluation account. That's all I did. Otherwise, I didn't do anything. So by the way, guys, I need some help from you guys. I just achieved my first ever payout. My first ever payout request from Apex. Oh, hold on. It seems like the counter has stopped. Black car display. Oh, where is the counter? Sub counter. Live subs, that's it. Okay. Interact. Okay, now it's better. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Actually, so here's the account. I want to show you right here. Where is it? So here's the account. This one. I made it to $2,684 on this Apex PA account. And I never had a payout with Apex before. This is going to be my first ever payout with Apex. I always blown up my funded accounts. I didn't have many. This is my 5th funded account with Apex, as you see, 05. And So I never had a payout. But I went to the website. And I'm going to show you guys because I'm a little bit confused. I don't know. Ah, not this one. Oh yeah, here it is. So if I go to the request payout page, there is nothing here. I mean, it has updated since yesterday. I mean, the account. But there's nothing here, nothing showing up. My payout method has been added already. So I don't know what this thing, how it goes. You can't request it till the 1st. Okay, thank you, Kevin. That's what I was. Okay. Oh, okay. So that's what I didn't know. Thank you. So I just have to put this account aside because the payout request window is only going to pop up on the 1st, which is next Thursday, right? Next Thursday. All right, that's fine. That's fine. Now this was I didn't know this. I mean, I wasn't sure. I mean, I knew that the request can be made on the 1st to the 5th. I just wasn't sure if the request window pops up or not. All right. Thank you guys. Naomi, hey there. The form comes only during. Okay, thank you, DM. Thank you. Yeah, I knew the payout dates. I just didn't know if the link comes out for the payout. But then now I know that. Okay, so that window is not going to be active. All right. I'm not going to trade that. I have another funded account with actually 2 other ones with Apex. So I'm not going to trade this account. I'm definitely going to leave it on the sidelines. I hate Apex. I stopped with them 2 months ago. Oh, I got billed for lousy 50K. Oh, Friday. When I was at work. Why would anyone buy an eval on Friday? It wasn't a violation to the consent. Actually, it was. Did you request a chargeback? You know, because if you, I mean, as far as I know, with MasterCard, with Visa, so if you request a chargeback on the same day, there's actually like a 48-hour or 72-hour window with Visa and MasterCard that you can request a chargeback. Parminder, hey there, good to see you. Through your bank, and it should be done, you know, or maybe if you realize, if you get a text notification or something on your phone that you have been charged, you can instantly call your bank. I did, but it was after 2 days. I sent them emails for refund. Did you get a refund? I hope you did. Or if not, then that's absolutely not correct from them. My Apex demo account is inactivated, which means it has just expired. Yeah, I think so. I didn't even know that there's a demo account at Apex. Not yet. I know that they have a lot of emails. Usually they reply after quite a long time, unfortunately. So it's not good to hear that. I'm sorry about that. Okay, we're slowly progressing higher on the 1 minute. These prop firms ban the person for cancel the account if the person does a chargeback. I heard stories about that too. Yes, I'm not sure which prop firm. I don't know which prop firm, but someone on Discord mentioned it. Not on my Discord. I don't know if it was Apex or I don't know. That the person got banned. No, actually, I was reading it on Twitter. It was on Twitter. He requested a chargeback and he got banned, but I don't know which prop firm was it. I am Vajda. Hey there. Good morning. Jó reggelt. Good morning. Fellow Hungarian trader from Transylvania. My 50K daily Apex account limit was 2,500 yesterday. My loss was but today they deactivated it. What the hell? Why would they do that? Apex will ban it. I will be so happy. Well, at least no more temptation to buying an account, right? Jung, hey there, good morning. At least no more temptation of buying an account with them, right? Trading drawdown. Oh. I have no idea, Parminder. Your loss was $1,650. You know, there is one reason though, and the one reason for that, Parminder, is that you were actually, so this is your equity curve. Yesterday you were trading, your open trades went up, see, but then you didn't realize profits, or you did whatever you did there, but your equity curve went lower. But on the other hand, your trailing drawdown, you know, that also goes higher, right? So at that point it locked in and it just hit your trailing drawdown daily threshold, and that's what could have happened, you know. That's one thing that could have happened with your account. You were trailing your drawdown. Maybe you were oversized a little bit, over leveraged, or you didn't realize. You didn't. Is that the word? Realized? Not realized, but capitalized on profits up there, and you just, maybe it spiked up there at some point. You didn't act on it. It went against you, but the trading stop has already caught you there. On that point, that could be the only reason that they deactivated your account, I think. But that's just, yeah, you're welcome. So you got caught up with your trading drawdown. That was the problem. Don't forget, Parminder, that at Apex and Bulenox option 1 accounts, the intraday trading drawdown trails with the unrealized profit too. So if you're in a big profit, for example, you were in $1,500 profit, just saying, the high watermark is going to trail your stop, and if you don't take that profit and it goes against you, then obviously your stop is going to be much thinner. My plan is gradually to leave Apex and then focus on TopStep. That's a good plan too. Yeah, it depends on your personality how you trade. Absolutely. This means I have to get an account. Unfortunately, yes. Yes, Parminder, yes. Gotta pay capital gains at the end of this year. I hate it here. Oh. Yeah, I mean, yeah, MyFundedFutures is I think you guys asked me before, which is my favorite. My favorite is MyFundedFutures. Hats off. Although I didn't have a payout from trading with them yet. I've blown up like, I don't know how many funded accounts, 4 or 5 at least, maybe 6 funded accounts with them. It's terrible. I so want to succeed with MyFundedFutures, and yet it takes me a little bit harder. Still, I do like the whole thing, not just the dashboard, but you know, the payout policy, the rules, everything checks out with them. Zoltan, you're a good morning, Zoltan. No more Apex accounts for me unless they have their 90% sale. Yeah, MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader, by the way, guys, don't forget, Take Profit Trader is going to end the activation fee. Right now there is no activation fee with Take Profit Trader. It's going to end on Sunday, this week Sunday, and then activation fee comes back again with Take Profit Trader. Now that's obviously Take Profit Trader has the fastest payout in the market. It has been confirmed. I haven't had a payout from trading with them. But I do confirm, I can confirm, because it's not a secret, I do make affiliate commissions from these prop firms, that I did get a payout as an affiliate from Take Profit Trader. And when I requested the payout, the same goes as an affiliate payout for me as I request a trading profit, because basically they put it to your wallet. They have the wallet there at Take Profit Trader. So my affiliate commission was in my wallet. I requested the payout and it was in my account in like 2 hours, maybe 2 hours. I don't know. The money was on my account in 2 hours, I think, from Take Profit Trader. And you can do it every single day if you're above the safety threshold. Every single day you can take a payout. And it has been confirmed from traders who actually had payouts from trading from Take Profit Trader that it is so fast like this. So I received my first ever and yet only one affiliate commission from Take Profit Trader. It wasn't a big deal, a few $100s overall, and it was for 2 months or 3 months, I don't know. But it was on my account in 2 hours. That's all it took. Morning, Bassem. No, not in my bank account. Tamimi, in my bank account. Do you know how many funded accounts Take Profit Trader allows? I think 4 or 3 or 4. Hold on. I have to check it because so many rules. Higher payouts get into bank instantly. Like maybe for US traders, I'm international, so there has to be an international SWIFT wire transfer, and I wasn't really expecting it for at least a day or something, but it was on my bank account in less than 2 hours after I clicked it out from my wallet at Take Profit Trader. 3 pros and pro plus. Oh yeah, there you go. Thank you, Naomi. Thank you. So overall, maximum 6 accounts. The pro plus is the live account, I think. So 3 simulated funded accounts and 3 live accounts, basically. Ashevs is going long. All right. I'm still waiting for, after sweeping this Asia low, I'm just waiting to get a opportunity to go long maybe. I don't see anything on the downside. So let me just say that Take Profit Trader is going to bring back the activation fee after Sunday. So the biggest discount right now is 40% off, no activation fee. Take advantage of it. That's all. Thank you. And you may want to get down to 1900. Could be. Well, let's check it. 800. Oh yeah, why not? Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Yeah, so this here on the 1 hour chart, look at the wicks. It really did some damage here, wicked up and everything. The question remains, I mean, look at the relative equal highs up there at 20,162. And relative equal highs, if you look to the left, on the 18th of July. Boom, up there. Now, I'm just curious. I think my overall target, I mean, I would be bullish for these levels right there, that level I like, which is the 162. Down here we still have the new week opening gap, a portion of it. It's not so much perfect, but it has been partially repriced. Sorry. So new week opening gap down there. Good question. For now, I'm going to focus on this one. Now, this is a bullish order block thingy. At least it looks like it. I don't know how far it wants to go. But liquidity swept, bullish order block on the 1 minute. Bearish order block here on the 1 minute, another one higher. I don't know. A little bit. Aaron, no, max 3 accounts, not 6. Okay. 3 accounts. Sorry, Aaron. I haven't checked it correctly. That's on me. Yeah, they look juicy up there. If it breaks through 900 shorted, could be. Yeah, it already poked the 900 level. I'm curious if this one wants to go down further. There is sell side liquidity. Is that yesterday? No, it's not. It's not. Yesterday low is still down there at 740, I think. Here, right here, on this gap, liquidity has been swept. Kind of look at this, almost like a bullish order block. This 1 minute, although I don't think that the 1 minute order blocks are all that much significant. Could this be enough for price to bring it higher? I don't know, but we'll see. I'm not in the trade. I'm still waiting to see where this one wants to go. London is open in 26 minutes. So I guess we have to wait and see. Look at that. It might want to go down below 900. Who knows? Who knows? But if you look to the left on the 1 minute, there are still some order blocks left there. $42 contracts sitting at 900 buy side. Okay. That makes it interesting. That makes it more interesting. Small SMT. Oh yeah, I see that. That the only big liquidity right now. Everything else 3 to 5 contracts. Yeah, well, that could be gravitating price towards that level. Alicia, hey there, good to see you. What's up? What's up? What's up? Hope everybody's doing okay. Hard to say what it's going to do now. Actually, let me check on gold until we wait. Gold, gold, gold. Just a quick glimpse on gold. Previous day high. And we have previous day low. And we have midnight open. I mean, sorry, not open, but all right, gold is at a bullish order block, which means if it wants to break it, it's still going to be bearish. So sell side liquidity for gold is down there, 23.83. Okay. Still waiting. Eventually 905 has 23.38. You know, Bookmap is actually, I'm not saying it's bad. Actually, it's a good thing, but those orders can just disappear in a matter of milliseconds and then pop up anywhere. Obviously, it gives you a good guidance where it might should go, especially if you're scalping or going for short-term trades. I'm curious if this one wants to break the order block up here or not. Might not. And there's one up there on the 1 minute. Gold is also interesting. Bearish order block on the 1 minute up there. Kind of interesting. Yeah, look at that. It wants to go. I wonder if it really wants to go. All right, NQ is playing a mind game here. Interesting. Interesting. All right, let me hold on. I wasn't reading the chat. Multi-waiver still feels heavy. Yeah, haven't broken so thing. So thanks. Have a good look at it. Okay. Morning, Komodo. No, I don't think I do it every day, but yesterday, unfortunately, the profits I made during the London session, I gave it all back. So I was a little bit pissed about that, but you know, now I'm trying to scalp my way. I do have a MyFundedFutures trade await account, and I made about 400 today on this one with scalping. I do like to pass this one, although it's on trade await, but I'd like to pass this. But otherwise, on a regular trading model on the 5-minute. Yesterday, for example, I checked everything. There was absolutely no entry for me on the 5-minute. So this is the 5-minute chart right now on NQ yesterday. There was no entry the whole day, especially in the New York session. No entry. Nothing that I like. Nothing that was fitting my criteria. I mean, yeah, maybe here could have gone long, I know, but you know, since this one taking the stairs up there, it was too risky to go long, and it was before the market opened. So after the market opened, there was nothing. I had no trades on the 5-minute, and neither today right now. That's a little bit, you know. So I'm just observing. Nikos, good morning. We are down in daily fair value gap on gold. Yes. Yeah, exactly. Also, gold is I mean, it looks nice and everything, but we have these small order blocks during the, I mean, intraday technically, and I still don't know how much these order blocks want to affect the price movement. There is one more on NQ, a little bit higher over here. Feels like it wants to go up there. Starts at 42. The low movement just reacted from it. Yeah. Oh yeah, sometimes it feels good. Absolutely, Komodo. Absolutely. 7 money bag, yo, hey. It was great day yesterday, losing 2 accounts. No. I know. Yeah, I feel you there. Yeah. But you know, just don't focus on it too much. 7 money bag, yo. Hansen, hey, good to see you. What's happening? So I know it's easy to say, but try not to focus on it too much. I think we're going up to the 41 to take that 1-minute order block to the left here, which is starting around 43, but I would go with 42, whatever. That's another 10 points to the left. I think it wants to take it out. Sure, seems like it. There's the VWAP up there, the VWAP. I started to use tick charts. Yeah, tick charts is much more relaxing to the eye, especially if there's not enough volume. And the tick charts can actually do a great deal of help. Okay, we're gonna go to 42, I think. Trading need more focus then. Just, you know, keep the balance somehow. You need to focus on the wife too. Just keep the balance. All right. Yeah, we're going for 42. It seems like it. It's going. I still feel like gold could be bullish after this pullback, but it is weird. I don't know. And we reached 42. There you go. We reached 42. Gold also pulled back down into this gap. Bearish breaker to the left here. I'm sorry, bearish order block, not breaker, to the left. I don't know if gold wants to take it out. I assume it might want to, but it has to go to above the 95 first if it wants to. Ashevs is still on the long. Good luck, good luck. Latza, good morning. Good morning, Latza. Yeah, so that could be still a target, but let's not forget that we have very good targets to the downside too on gold. I don't have any entry, especially not on the 5 minute. There's just no structure. NQ, to me, it seems like it wants to break this area also. Right there. Hard to say, obviously, but and there you go. Has been broken. Boom. Order block has been broken. One more order block. I'm sorry. One more order block on the downside here. So let's keep an eye on for that. Yeah, it took it out. So right now, well, it's not exactly a perfect order block down there, but there's still some levels. Could be a possible rejection of the VWAP, of the good old VWAP. So I'll be watching that too. Maybe I'm gonna check on the 30-second chart just for fun. NQ 30-second. Okay. We'll see. Hard to say. Hard to know. But this has been taken out quite nicely right there on the 1 minute. Question remains, what's the next move? Gold left here. Nothing special there. Might want to go lower again. All right, we're kind of stuck here. For no reason right now. Market open is in 7 minutes. Nothing on the 5 minute. It actually took liquidity here on the 5 minute. So might want to go lower again. Who knows? I guess the London Open will show us some direction. FX and Trophy, good morning. How are the profits? Another 20K today. Guys, yesterday FX and Trophy made $20,000 on funded accounts. Amazing. He's just killing the market. Thank you is like toxic lover. We hate it. We lost to it, but we still can do. Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah. Yeah, we need to trade it. Toxic lover. Absolutely. Absolutely it is. Yeah, so let me check on the 30-second again. Nothing special. Anything else? I look at feels like watching the earth sing in slow motion. Yeah, NQ can cause a lot of pain, but also NQ can cause a lot of happiness too. If you treat her right, or if she treats you right. But it's part of the game. Gold might go lower, I think. Still no idea what's going on with gold. Oh, it's going down. All right. All right. So gold might be going down to that sell side liquidity at 83. No confirmation yet. NQ is sitting there. Still not ready to take out these highs. So we just have to sit tight and wait for the open. NQ is like life. Well, maybe NQ, yeah, maybe. So you have entry on 5-minute NQ, 22, 5-minute NQ. Oh yeah, yeah. Looks good. Not the perfect entry, but it technically it's valid. Well, yeah. I'm not sure if I want to take this, but maybe. Thank you, Ashebs. I might be watching it. John D, hey there. Dynasty, hey, good to see you. Push the like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel. Let's push it. We're almost at 2,700. That is amazing. Thank you, everybody, for the support. Let's go. Da-dum-dum, da-dum-dum, da-dum-dum. Slim Trader, you have to go. All right, have a great day. Hope to see you soon. It almost doubled since I started. Oh, thank you. Yeah, it was amazing journey. I mean, last year, November was, I think, or October, November. I remember having 400 subscribers or 500, something like that, and now at 2,700. It's really amazing. Thank you so much for the support, everyone. Really feels good. I'm here every day, and I'm trying to do this better and better. So it's a journey. And Ratable, hey, were you ever a poker player? No, I like to play poker, but I'm a very bad. I mean, only online poker. I like poker, by the way, but I'm very bad in poker. Are you going to be around for New York? Yeah, sure. Absolutely. Absolutely, Komodo. And by the way, tomorrow we could be expecting some more volume and cleaner movements. I'll be here for New York, Komodo. Absolutely. And London is open. Totally forgot it. Didn't really notice that London is open. Nothing is happening, right? Nothing is really going on. TikTok music channel. Hey. What do you think about NQ? Will it go bullish or bearish now? Well, NQ so far swept some lows, sell side liquidity from technically Asia session. And if I go to the 15-minute, there are some good targets up there. I would be, so let me just show you something. Maybe you've seen it already from yesterday. If you go to the 1-hour chart, beautiful relative equal highs at 162, very juicy level to the left. Now, one thing down there is a new week opening gap, but we'll talk about that later. Price went down, pretty much has been, I mean, it did the damage everywhere, wicked out everything. Yesterday, on the 1-hour chart, as you see it here, repriced this gap, ready to push it back up there. We have bearish order blocks as well. Look at this. Bearish order block on the 15-minute, relative equal highs, a lot of fair value gaps and liquidity above 162. I would be staying more bullish, but right now I would be bullish too. I'd like to see some Asia high levels being taken out all the way up till 998-ish area. So yes, I'm gonna be staying bullish on this one. I have no entry, but look at this, accumulating positions on the 1 minute. Could be sending it higher to take out all this liquidity. There was liquidity all the way here above these highs. So that's at least another 18 points, 20 points, whatever, if this one is accumulating. But as you see right now, well, this is also fine here, repricing 1 minute levels, maybe going down to this 5 minute fair value gap. Look at that. We also have an entry. Ashev's was talking about this. Liquidity sweep, 5 minute OTE level. This should be actually a very good long position. Maybe I'm gonna take it. I don't know. Look at this. 1 to 2 risk to reward fits perfectly. I might even take it. Oh, thank you so much, Marco. Thank you. Thank you, Marco. Could not. Yeah, maybe. But we are gonna have an OTE at 20. What's the level? 25.50. I might gonna enter. I just don't know which account. I haven't really prepared myself for this. NQ. Okay, my entry sucks, but I entered a long position. Terrible entry, absolutely terrible entry. Stop loss is, well, anyway, what a terrible entry. It's so bad, I might even, because I was talking too much. Oh my god, it's such a terrible entry. All right. Anyway. Stop loss 901-ish. We'll see. Take profits at 73. Take profit. Actually, it's going to be fine at 65.75. It's a terrible entry, so I had to adjust my stop loss. Let me show you guys. Micro Nasdaq. Here it is. So here's my trade. Only on micros, not risking too much. So terrible entry, but I entered too long. You're welcome. TikTok music. I would wait for it to break view up for long. Yeah, maybe. It's too late for me now. It's fine. Small risk. Nothing special here. Spirit Boy, hey. Graphic design working with no, thank you, Spirit Boy. I'm doing okay, but thank you for offering. Can I come visit you someday next year? Absolutely. Let me know, Kamado. Let me know. We'll catch a coffee somewhere. All right. One touch. All right. We catch a coffee. Absolutely. We get a good look on those ladies. All right. Yeah, it's a little bit slow opening. It's a little bit slow. Well, look at that. I mean, gold didn't really take out that level up there. Quite interesting. I'm still thinking like gold might go up there. Could that be the case? Who knows? Anyway, for now, I'm stuck with this trade. Although if it starts to dump like crazy, I just close it manually. Small risk, so I can manage that. Feels bullish after all. As I said, we still have some good targets on the upside. The level that I'm watching on gold is, it's not an accurate level, but it's something like this. 23.94.9 if I want to scalp it. That's a 1 minute bearish order block, shifted structure. This one almost perfectly touched it, didn't really go through. This was some kind of a reaction here from that order block right there. And now it feels like price may want to go again and try to break it. That is something I'm looking at on gold. So basically, this bearish order block right there is what is interesting to me, and how price reacted to that level. That shows me that oh, come on, gold. That this level here is kind of interesting intraday, short term, for gold to come back here, maybe break it. Could be some stops above there. I don't know. This is just a theory, of course. NQ going down. Jesus, holy Christ. I might have to close it. And it seems like it's going for it. Look at that. That 23,494.9. That high is interesting. I'm not saying it's gonna go up there, but yeah. So I'm just watching it. This is just, you know, obviously it can just turn around and just take out sell side. You know, there was a minor structure shift on the lower time frames. That's why I don't know if it really wants to do it. But this reaction makes this level even stronger intraday for me. But we're talking about gold. And gold is a dirty, I don't want to say what, that can play tricks on you. So I'm not trusting it. But it's you know, it's interesting to watch and study. I like to study price action, guys. I think it's amazing just to watch how price is reacting to certain levels, what it does. Also, sometimes I take some notes because I think it's definitely interesting. Yeah, everything is at the same place. At the same area. Nothing is really moving. If we don't get a 1 minute close below 0925, and it's just a wick, I'm going long. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely like doing this not too perfect, but bullish flag thingy that could be breaking higher. Man, this trade, this is so bad. Nowadays it feels like that the the 5-minute chart is not really respected in the London session. That's how it feels like to me. Gold is slowly going up here. As I said, there might be some liquidity up there. And there you go. My trade is gone. And it's gone. Yeah, you need some music. Yeah, I actually listen some music, guys. You guys don't hear it because it's turned off from your end. All right, Riggs. I do have music, but you guys don't hear it. I had so many copyright notifications from NQ, even from copyright-free music. So I decided, all right, F it. I'm not going to go with that. Because, you know, even if I go with the copyright-free track list, if one of the authors decide to change something with their copyright, YouTube is going to send me messages like, oh, there's a copyright, blah, 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 and monetization, blah, 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 blah. And there's options, of course, to delete the track, mute the sound, whatever. And I had enough of that. I said, all right, F it. I don't even care about copyright-free music. And also, I know there is playlist, YouTube playlist, but the problem with that is if I play it over and over, every day I'm streaming, every day, my brain is going to melt down. So And I don't even like that music. So the playlist that YouTube has, it's like washing out my brain totally. I can't do that. So I'm listening my personal favorites, and that's it. Yeah, it's not breaking. Oh, by the way, the account that I just lost was this one. So I was up 475. Now I'm down to 346 on this account. Not a huge deal, but you know. And look at gold. So this 5 minute has betrayed me. We're going lower, it seems like. Could be breaking this level at 05. I can imagine. I might gonna trade with a different account. Yeah. Anyway, look at gold. Gold is gonna just boom. It's gonna go over like super fast on this level. And it's going down. There you go. There you go. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. One more level up there, down there, sorry, at 98. Gold, look at that. Back to this level. Quite interesting. There's a gap at 23 up there. Interesting. Interesting. On Nasdaq. NQ. NQ, 1 minute. Anyway, the gap is at 23. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Right there. I'm gonna keep an eye on it for a scalp, maybe. Yes, I trade ICT concepts, but you know, I'm trying to add my own little, you know, fine tune to it. But yes, I do trade ICT concepts. Yes. Well, I should say, I mean, maybe I'm combining it with sometimes support and resistance. I mean, I do watch those levels too, and yeah. Da-da-da-dum. Da-da-da-dum. Oh, look at gold. Wow. Look at, it's gonna take out that level. And that's why it was interesting. And it's going up there again. There's the gap. Wow, okay. Sell side liquidity at 76, which is on the 5-minute chart maybe? Yeah, it's at the 5-minute. We're gonna take out 76, it feels like, right now. That this is going for the 76. Careful, everyone. That could be the ultimate target. And there you go, boom. Gold took out liquidity, boom. That's it. That was the plan all along, to get that out of the way. All right. So gold made the move. And now I'm going to check the 30-second chart if we go back to that gap. Oh, hold on. Trade. All right, it's better. I don't like those trade arrows. I did a small scalp there, but these arrows are distracting me. Yeah, what's the level? 76, right? Yeah. Still gonna be waiting. Yo, Habs, hey there. I think it's going to the 4-hour breaker block. Let's see. Could be. Could be. Hope NQ doesn't drop all the way to 800. Well, you know, don't make a bet on that one. Look at this. Sell side liquidity at 808. There's the 4-hour wick down there at 809. Who knows? We just went through the 76. Could this be a sell-off to take out that low? Who knows? But I would be definitely scared to take a long now, after it's going down like this. Why not put ambient Batman music? It's very calming. Oh yeah, it is. I was putting the a few months ago, like 2 months ago, I was putting Star Trek bridge ambient noise to the background, and it's actually, it was very calming, you know. A level at 835. It's not precise. So yeah, it could be good. No, it's could be, yeah, look at that. It could be okay. We have this wick. If it keeps dropping. Down 300 points. Well, yeah, that's true. That's true. Best DJ. We could go down even further. So gotta watch out for that. Okay, look at gold. Gold started to go as well. By the way, gold just created another well, it's not really a perfect one. Breaker. Not breaker, come on. Bearish order block. Shifting lower. But who knows? It could still be just going up. Hey, Omobole, it's going to push up. Yeah, it could be. We don't know. But if it builds up some support, obviously we need the structure shift first. But yes, there is 45 contract liquidity that they keep moving around between 960 and 65. Yeah, that I don't think the market really care about that. I don't know why they put it there, but I have a measurement level at 858.50. I mean, you know, it could go. It could go. 82.50 is similar technical level. Strong quotation marks. Hey, good morning, Mamba Fox Trades. You what I get. Good morning. Getting better and better in Hungarian. Or are you a Hungarian? We have more and more Hungarian traders, which I'm super glad. I have to open some windows, get some air. Oh, there you go. Some fresh air. Google Translator helps. You're from Poland, yeah. Oh, yeah, I think you mentioned it. Awesome. Where are the women? We need more of them. Oh, yeah, we do. We do. We definitely need more. Look at this. There was a small structure shift here on the 1 minute. And we still have technically a gap, which is actually a liquidity void on the mini. It's not on the micro, but it's on the mini. So that could be interesting as a possible level. Now Asia low has been taken, so it's not important anymore. All right, communication, international languages. It's working. Okay, gold is going up slowly. Now, obviously, we do have a possible entry on the 1 minute here. We just don't know how far it will go. It's a little bit scary to go long here because it could be a falling knife. Exactly, you know, breaking through everything without any kind of possible structure shift. So this small one is on the 1 minute, but you know, it's not a perfect one. Gold is looking to go higher. I don't know. Eating a banana. Breezy Music Club is selling. I'm watching for that level at 24. Buy gold. I guess you can. If it goes back above the midnight level, 2400 is a good target. $2,400 is a good target. Here. I'm not buying gold, but I like that level up there. But obviously, we don't know what's gonna happen. I might try to go for a home run. I don't know if I should or if I can. I'm in a long trade on a MyFundedFutures evaluation account here. I'm trying to go for the 22. I have a tight stop. I'm gonna be putting this to break even if I can. So currently I'm trying to bring this account to being funded. So that's it. One mini, but that is all. So I don't know. I'm still not putting this to a break even, but I'm waiting. Looking for that level. This is also a bearish order block with a gap. Could turn around and take me out super easy. And there you go. Turns around. I'm gonna leave some bigger room to this trade. So I don't know if I put this here. What can you guys see? All right. So I'm still waiting. For that 22. I don't know if we're gonna get it or not. Obviously this 900 level can take me out. And you know, just go lower. I don't really want to take my stop here because it can go down, reprice this small gap, and I'll take that chance if it does. If not, it's fine. But you know, it is what it is. Breezy Music Club is selling. Could be, yeah, it could be a sell-off. Gotta be cautious around these levels, that's for sure. Now there's a gap which I don't like. I would like this one to wick down and reprice it immediately, but it's not doing it. I might going to put my stop to break even here. All right, it's at break even. Not taking chances with this one. Let's go. All right, I'm grabbing this one. The reason why I closed it is because we have a gap here. I wanted to grab as much as I can. But I made 800 today already on this account. I still need around 500 to get this to funded. But, you know, it's gonna go down, reprice 98. That's why I took the trade off from this long wick. Look at that. It's gonna go down, reprice it, and who knows what's gonna happen there. So I just grabbed the money and walked away. Grabbed the profit. Obviously, it's not real money, but small catch. Yeah. So anyway, it's gonna go down here and reprice 899. Question is when. Also created a bullish order block. So yeah, this level 22 is very strong, especially now in London session when there is no news. Be careful if you're shorting, but obviously there's this gap here. So this was a good move. I like this move. This was a good one. Going for the 923, it seems like. You got in at the gap. Nice. 5 minute. Ah. Look at that. It's going. Should have kept my trade, right? Shoulda, woulda, coulda. No, I'm happy with that. I'm happy that I took off my trade here. Nice job, by the way, Breezy. I think, I mean, I hope you make it. Seems like it's still going higher. Let's check on gold. Look at this. Gold is slowly moving up. And now this one might come back down to catch that small gap or reprice it at least at 98.75. Interesting. Now, the reason why this upper gap here at 23 is a little bit more important because it's also on the 5 minute too. It can be seen as a unbalanced price range on the 5 minute level too. So, you know, it's going to reprice it. It just has to. There's no other way around it. It's 6 points. It has to do it. It just has to. Question is, which one is going to be first? This gap up here or this one down there? Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. 10 points away from that gap. Oh, repricing means, for example, I mean, at this case, that between the close of this candle at 314 and 315, in this area here, there was no trading. So after closing this candle, the next opening of this one was actually almost like 5 ticks lower. So there was no trading between this level, between these two levels. Now, ICT calls this liquidity void. You can call whatever you want this. There was no trading here in this gap. So usually when the candles go back up there, in this case, it's going lower to the other one right here. There was no trading here as well. You see, no trading. And now this candle is going down and repricing this gap right here. Now this candle, this current candle, repriced this area. So it's repriced. Now, if this is just a wick and it goes back higher, that's actually repricing. If we have a down close candle like this current candle, and if it closes lower than the gap, that would be rebalancing, because then it's going to be a balanced price. So let's see. If there's only going to be a wick here, like now at this second, this here is repricing. Perfect example. The wick is only repricing, the down close candle is rebalancing the price at that level. So now that it repriced this gap, one scenario would be to go higher, boom, and try to reprice the other gap too. I'm not saying it's always happening, so have to be really careful about these things. But there is a bullish order block here as well. There was a gap, now it's rebalancing. This candle right now is trying to rebalance it. It actually took out the order block, the previous one. So the question remains, is it going to be able to continue higher, or there's more sellers in the market and they're just going to keep pushing it lower? I feel like I was a little bit lucky for taking off my trade here. I was very convinced that we're going to go up there, but as soon as I saw this gap and it went up there, I thought that, okay, we're going to revisit this. So that's why I took it off right there. Good morning. What time frame? This is the 1 minute. We just zoomed in to see what's happening at the lower time frames, but I still think we can take out that 23, but who knows? Trading Star, what's up? Good to see you, Trading Star. How you doing? I shorted the 15-minute bearish fair value gap, hoping for a sell side at 808. 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Oh yeah, beautiful, right here. Yeah, it could go. The only thing, and I'm not saying it won't work out, is that this candle at 315 took out a very good sell side. Actually, not. It's not a big deal. So it wasn't a big level there. But if that would have been a huge level, that would make it a little bit lower probability. But I think it will go. It could go. Holy Grail, good to see you. Sofian, I remember, you're Sofian. 61.8 of that Down will react perfectly. Oh yeah, yeah. Look at that. Yep. So yeah, look at that move. The 61.88, boom. Perfect reaction from that level. So now the question remains that, is this going to hold this gap? Or is it just going to go through? Now it seems pretty much bearish to me. Gold is going up, looking for that level to the left. So far, I think I did some good analysis this morning. These levels are pretty much getting tagged or some way respected. Drop. It could drop. Actually, you know, there's also the saying higher time frame rules, but you know, I don't know. At this point, I would be scared to go long, that's for sure. I would be scared to take long. This is more like a short. So, and gold is just going up, taking out this level. Look at that. So whoever bought gold and holding it, you're good. My plan, I was looking for, I was more bullish on NQ, but right now I'm just a little bit confused. My short-term plan was to target that gap at 23, which I took a trade on earlier, and it worked out okay. But it seems like we could be dropping lower, maybe going down to that 4-hour wick. Yeah, 5 minutes until the volume kicks in. Now that's going to be interesting. It's too low. 1 minute. Yeah, I absolutely understand that. It's going down. It's going down. So far, there is a good reaction on the 15-minute chart. Otherwise, it's kind of like a quiet morning. So, still just waiting. We still have almost 1 hour from the kill zone, so. Also, let's look at gold. What is happening with gold? We have a bullish order block. down there. Quite interesting. I will be watching for it. I will be watching for that level. Also, it has no wick, flat bottom here on both of these 1 minute candles. So, okay, NQ slowly going back here. Now, it could be a decision area right here. If this is just a repricing and it's a bearish scenario, then we should be seeing NQ drop from here sharply. Oops. All right, it seems like it's building up some sort of support, maybe. I don't know. Is gold going down now? Maybe. Maybe. It could. I'm watching it too. Trying to decide what to do with this. I think it could revisit this order block, which starts at 96. I'm actually in a short on gold, but I'm just scalping this. I have a negative risk to reward. Obviously, the weave up is acting as support. My target is 96 on gold, so I'm targeting the 96 right now. I just entered, so my entry is very bad. 97.7, so I'm technically in a drawdown. I'm also thinking maybe I should put this to break even if it goes lower. Okay, now this would be the optimal entry on gold. Let me show you guys how bad my trade entry is. NQ is going lower, look at that. Where is gold? NQ 30-second. Micro. GC, NQ. What is all this? Anyway, I'm gonna... Okay, here's the trade. I might gonna close it earlier. If it's not dropping down there, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. My entry is late, as usual. But, you know. Instead of 15 off yesterday, let's check it. I mean, on gold. No. Anyway. Yeah, we're definitely coming down from a 15-minute fair value gap on NQ, if that's what you're referring. On gold. Yeah. Oh no, my gold trade is going against me. Paul, hello. NQ. All right. Yeah, this was a beautiful reaction. Good to see you, Paul. Look at NQ. It's tanking. It wants to tank. 68. It's gonna take out 68. I feel like it. I mean, that would be the only logical move for NQ right now. And go lower to that 4-hour wick on the downside. I would go for it. Well, it seems like the gold trade is not gonna play out for me right now. Slowly taking me out. I was hoping that it will drop down, take out that bullish order block down there, but it's seems like it's not gonna do that. No worries. I have to close it real soon. I mean, it was a nice structure shift on the 1 minute on gold, but obviously it's going bullish. NQ bounced off from this 76 level. All right. I don't know why I'm still in the gold trade. I'm in huge drawdown. Coming back my way a little bit. It was because I had a terrible entry. That was the problem. NQ, look at that. Changing direction again. NQSMT. Let's check. Oh yeah, I see that. All right. So that causing some trouble there. Gold is up there. I think it's gonna go bullish. Yeah, yeah, gold is gonna go higher, maybe. If NQ is going to form some sort of a structure, it already did actually, then it can go back to those levels up there. But, you know, nice SMT with ES, yeah. 5 minute as well. Yeah, it's a nice SMT. Which puts us into a bullish scenario. Trying to long again. All right. Yeah, this looks like a possible long scenario. But we still need some confirmations. The 22 level up there looks good. Gold going sideways a little bit. Let's see what it does. Three-minute bullish fair value gap up to the 3-minute bearish fair value, and we have SMT. Okay, then we have everything lined up, I guess. Yeah. Everything lined up. Anything is possible, right? It's going. I wonder if it's gonna wick into the 22s now. I guess it could. Gold dropping slowly, not too much. Just taking some stairs down, not too much. NQ trying to push higher. Taking that fair value gap. Let's see. Created some gaps here as well, so it's gonna go sideways a little bit, I think. I didn't go short on NQ. 5 minute has no bottom wick. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so that could create some interesting scenarios. Gold is still up there. 5 minute with no bottom wick, that's usually has some magnitude. Question remains. I mean, look at that. This still has the 22. I mean, this unbalanced price range and liquidity void is still there on the 5 minute. That's why I think it could go there. Could be wrong, obviously, but inversion gap on 5 minute with SMT. Oh yeah, definitely it's looking good for longs. I'm watching that too. There was also a shift here, so yeah, it's looking good for the longs. As for gold, it's just going sideways, nothing special, but NQ is looking good so far. This level here at I can't grab it like this, so that could be a good level. Of course we have gaps here, so it has to reprice it, obviously, and we'll see if it goes from there or not. Yeah, there you go. Rebalancing it, not just repricing. Five minutes still needs 2 minutes 49 seconds to to close. It might not go there. This one could be just a trick, a bull trap, you know. You know. Ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-bum. Oh, it started to go up again. But how far? Let's check on gold. Gold looks like wants to go higher. Take out the highs from earlier to the left. You can see that. It wants to go for it. NQ dropping. Repricing immediately the 5-minute. Now this was a nice bull trap, if that's going to be one. And yeah. Who knows? Once you really explain the whole fair value gap, my success is once you really explain the whole fair value gap issue, my success rate has completely changed. Really? I'm glad to hear that, Paul. I'm glad to hear that. I'm happy if I could help with something. That's great. What indicator are you using? It shows red and green. Oh, this is the Lux algo. Let me show you. Let me show you. This is the Lux algo fair value gap. That's what I'm using. It makes it easier, that I don't have to waste a lot of time and energy drawing all these fair value gaps. So Lux algo fair value gap. That's it. That's it. It's free on TradingView. Long the US 30. Let's go. Oh, you're out. Paul, I'm glad if I could help. Oh, look at that now. NQ is dropping. Well, that's it for the plan, I guess. To go higher. Actually, this is a not an order block, but feels like it might want to go lower. NQ created a perfect trap for bulls. For now, it seems like it. A perfect trap for bulls. Who knows how far it goes? That is dropping. Now it has a bottom wick. Yeah. So it was interesting. What level was that? At 89.50. 89.50, yeah, right there. What a move. What a move. Yeah, it's still going. But if it's still going, then, it should be or could be taking out that low from this level, 68. Not sure, just saying. I mean, I didn't expect this range here. made some. All right, let's go. Market structure, price action suit. 3-2. All right. You know, only matters is if it makes you money. That's all that matters. That lower gap is so close. Yeah. I think this one is gonna go lower NQ. I mean, should be breaking that. What's that level? 876, or maybe even lower. What's the low of this candle? Is yeah. Could be. Could be. Gold made a new high. Didn't go for the order block yet. I wonder if NQ is going to give one more stab here to the downside, or is just gonna range, you know. Could easily just go range, narrow down the movement around 900 without making a stab. 900 could be. It looks like it'll go down, but you're done. Hey, that's how you do it, Breezy. Congratulations. Yeah, don't lose it. Don't give it back. Don't give it back. Even if you want to continue to trade, just get another account, maybe just an evaluation account, and you know, continue with that, but don't give back that profit that you made. I feel like this one can, you know, just go up there and range. That's what I'm thinking right now, but if I look at this from the higher time frame, it's just barcoding out, so I can really imagine a range movement. Obviously no entry here. No entry model for here. One question remains, is it going to stab once more down to 76, or is it just going to go higher? I feel like it could go higher. I feel like this one will just, you know, I don't know, could go super easily up to above the 900s. Maybe even go for the gap at 23. I don't know. Good question. Gonna have to wait. I have no entry here for this one. What the hell is wrong with Streamlabs? It's spamming all these links after it, one. I mean, it's too much. I have to reset Streamlabs. The thing is, if I put too much minutes or lines into the code or into the settings, it never shows up. I don't know why. And if I lower it down, it starts to spam these links. I'm sorry about that, guys. It's just spamming like crazy. I'm gonna change the settings for next time, maybe. Yeah, it's going down. I wonder if it tries to take out some lows, some more lows. Gonna have to wait for it. How much time do we have from the kill zone? 30 more minutes, so it can go either way. Yeah, I said that. I base my now you say it's gonna go. I don't know. I also say every time that the bias is changing for me, at least. I mean, multiple times. Meshapeti, hey there, all in. Careful, careful, careful with the all ins. I have no idea where this goes right now. The bias can change multiple times during the session, during just one session. Famous hedging strategy. Oh yeah, at least it's a strategy, so you know. All right, it feels like that it's gonna go higher anyway. There's an order block high at where is that? 12. No. The high is 15.50. The opening of this candle is, the other one is 13.75. You know, what if this one wants to go up there? Who knows? As I said, we could be just ranging here. We could be just ranging. Oh, I saw you're good. I have no idea, man. Just equal highs above. Yeah, and we have some targets up there. That's true. Stop. All right, I'm gonna stop the feeling. I'm gonna be cold, absolutely cold. I don't have an entry anyway. I know I have no positions. I was watching gold, maybe to jump in, but seems like it's slowly going up. Yeah, I didn't say the personalized guarantee thing, so you know. I didn't say personalized guarantee. Until I don't say that, you know, it's not valid. until I'm not saying that, it's not valid. We're still in the kill zone, so look like piano. New York and Asia have to be in world highs. Yeah, I think London will get a chance to. Yeah, could be. So far we are in this range, and I don't know if price is going to try to take out some of these levels. It might, but I'm just not sure if it wants to or not, you know. Not sure about that. Look at gold. Seems like wants to take out that level as well. Come on, bullish push. Price is in sync with me right now. I am the price, you know. I am the price. Oh, maybe I just YOLO'd an Apex account. Oh, seems like I did. But I didn't pass it. Oh. Anyway. Here it is. I need $15 still to pass. This one. So I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I still need $15 to pass this account. I'm the algo. Yeah. If it starts closing above 950, it's London Turtle Soup swept the lows to take it higher. Yeah, it could be. I'm surprised on gold. Yeah, I'm bored with ranging too, chefs. This is, look at the 5 minute and also look at the 15 minute, guys. I mean, look at this 15 minute chart. I'm zooming it out. Absolute nuts. Like, this is the area where you don't really want to be in. Even if I go the 5 minute chart, look at this. Whoa. Now, I even have a stronger conviction that 923 could be a good target. Oh yeah, my shop again, as lehet, you guys. You have to watch gold on higher time frames. That's true. You will see the bigger picture. I agree. I'm just still sometimes like to scalp it. Seems like gold is keeping its bullish momentum, going maybe above 2405. Like a piano. The Mad Scalper, hey. TopStep live on their channel during London. What? Really? Oh, because, yeah, because they have traders from the, I mean, yeah. That's cool, I think. Yeah, so more and more traders are watching, yes. $9.75 is inevitable. All right, let's see that $9.75. Okay, all right, it's up there. Yeah, hoping for that. Gold is going. No stopping at gold right now. Taking out those highs. Careful. Careful, careful. I want to see something here. My copy trader is working. All right, copy trader is working. Copy trading. Gonna stop it now. Yeah, it's going up. Gonna go for that 22, 23. The tomsabo box, yeah. This was the box here. Right there. Is it possible to copy trade away TopStep with Bulenox? No, it's not, unfortunately. Trade away is completely different, like the data and the connection. So you can't. TopStep X also use their own data connection, so it's not. Only thing you can do is open Rhythmic accounts everywhere where you can with these prop firms, and then you can copy trade them. 15-minute, this is going to be a big move. 15-minute, let's check it. Oh wow, yeah. Yeah, the 15-minute is definitely created some kind of a strong support here. We are going to revisit that 22. I haven't really thought that this is the way it is going to play out, but obviously we're going for the 22. You're welcome. I'm sorry. I mean, I always choose Rhythmic Trader or Rhythmic Connection because that's the only way I can do it. Also, I do have trade await accounts too with MyFundedFutures, but yeah. It should go higher, but I'm not convinced yet. I don't know. Could be just a trap, you know, it's all just a trap. What if this one is a trap? Is it going? Is it really going there? I think it does. Oh, and I passed the account. Oh, I passed the account. Yeah. With $3, but I made it. One more funded account with Apex. Yeah, let's go. One more funded. Oh, hey, but oh, thank you for being here, Lata. Sorry, I didn't see it there. See you later. Yeah. Should be coming back to that 22 level. Gold is still up there. Well, I think the majority of the move is done. I mean, obviously, what else could we look for? We could look for some higher targets. It's rebalancing the 5-minute now, but above the VWAP, I have no idea. So we'll see. We up. Anyway, guys, I don't think I'm gonna take more trades. I passed an evaluation account. It was fun, but you know. So I'm gonna close the stream now. I'm coming back for the New York session. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. And I'm sorry, I just being called. I have to run to a place. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you would like to support, use my codes and links. I'll be back in the New York session. So see you guys soon. Have a great morning, evening, day, night. All right. Take care. Be safe. See you guys soon. All right. Cheers, everybody. Gotta go.